WhatsApp Monitor: How to monitor WhatsApp messages for free. It seems that everyone uses WhatsApp, and as the social media giant continues to grow in user numbers, parents are concerned that their children are falling into the cybercrime trap while they use WhatsApp. Its creators may have had the best of intentions when they created the app, but there are those who form and join WhatsApp groups to lure our children to nefarious intentions. For this reason, it is very important to ensure that you constantly monitor what your child is up to on WhatsApp. But with a busy schedule, it can be difficult to constantly go through their phone to see who they are talking to. Worry not. This article will show you an easier, more efficient way to ensure that you stay on top of what your child is up to on WhatsApp. Part 1: Why do you need WhatsApp Monitor? For parents, the reasons you would want to invest in a good WhatsApp monitor should be obvious. You care about your child's safety and therefore want to be able to protect them even from the internet, and the one way to do this is to check on what they are looking at and who they interact with online. Some people will say that this means you don't trust your child, but their safety should be more important than what others think. Therefore, if you suspect even in the least that your child may be involved with less than ideal characters on WhatsApp, you're better off safe than sorry. Part 2: How to monitor WhatsApp messages on PC. Once you've decided that you want to monitor what your child is doing on WhatsApp, the next question is, how can you do this without violating their privacy and trust? One way is to use WhatsApp monitoring software, and while there are very many available, some free and some paid, only mSpy can guarantee the best information and ease of use. Some of the other reasons why you should choose mSpy over others include the following. The app works in the background of your child's device. Because they are oblivious to the app on their device, you can protect their privacy and not break their trust. Once you sign up, you can easily access the device's WhatsApp messages from just about any browser. All you have to do is sign in and access the dashboard. It is compatible with Android, iOS and Windows devices. It is very easy to use. After installing the app, you don't have to do anything at all except maybe sign in to monitor the WhatsApp messages. It can be used to monitor more than just WhatsApp messages. You can monitor SMS, call logs, location tracking and other app data such as Skype and Viber. How to use mSpy to monitor WhatsApp messages. Follow these simple steps to set up and use mSpy to monitor your child's WhatsApp messages. Step 1. On the mSpy website, sign up for the service and purchase the subscription you will need. Step 2. mSpy will send you installation instructions in your inbox. Download and install the mobile tracking software to your child's device. Step 3. The program works in the background to collect information. Simply log in to mSpy from any browser to view the messages. Part 3. Best WhatsApp monitor apps. If you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket and want to check out a few other WhatsApp monitors that you can choose from, the following are 3 really good options. To get immediate solution, click below link in description.